Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a pineapple inspired by Squishmallows. And yes, I have one right here to show you. Yay! I'm just so happy to be able to share these with you because I love Squishmallows and hopefully you do too. And they're just so soft, squishy, and simple and just so cute, right? That's just what's so amazing about them. And look at the little top right here, flops. It looks like a hand, or it could be a chicken's crown, right? So, but no, it's a pineapple. And this guy's name is Maui right here. And I also have a bigger version of him right here. Yes, he's huge and just so soft. This size is the softest because it's a little bit rounder, whereas opposed to this size is a little bit slightly flatter, but they're just awesome either way. And this is part of the new series from Squishmallow called the Fruit Squad. So definitely go to their website at squishmallows.com and you can check out all 6 of them and see which one you want to get. So not only do I have this guy, of course, I also have the baby. Look how cute. This one's my favorite because it's just perfect little size. And I'm just going to put it on my desk. It just reminds me to be happy because it's just so cheerful. And so because of that, it's so bright, I decided to draw this for my 2020 summer series. So hopefully you guys will love drawing this along with me, this pineapple here. And so get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this cute pineapple, let's start by drawing the outside shape. So I'm going to come right here and just start off with a curve and right on top in the center. So this is my usual dumpling shape, narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. And I'm just going to start to bring this down and elongate this dumpling shape here to create our pineapple. So I'm just going to slowly go back and forth to bring down the shape. So come down, so about right here, I'm going to start to widen it out and bring it in. So it's all up to you how tall or short you want your pineapple to be. Okay, so about right there, I'm just going to start to bring it in and connect it at the bottom with a soft curve, just a little bit flatter. There, so that's the general shape now. So then let's come back on top right here in the center and we're going to create the leaves. So I'm going to say about right here, I'll start right here. I want it nice and center, so I'll just give myself another mark on the other side so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to start, go up, round off the tip a little bit, come down, and we're going to create 5 of these leaves. So 2, and then right in the center is going to be the center one, right in the center, and then 2 more. And down, round off the tip, and bring it in. So something like that. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this pineapple to life. So about in this area, I'm going to start with a circle for the eyes. Don't go too low because on the bottom right here we still need to draw a curve. So just kind of in the center area. So 2 circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And I'm just going to round this one off a little bit more. There, much better, right? Draw so cute eyes are very easy to fix. Okay, so now we have the 2 circles and let's come to the top right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And then right in the center, let's draw a sweet smile. Right in the center and cap it off. There. And then let's draw the curve at the bottom. So I'll just start by right here. I'm just going to taper it in and I'm going to drag it across. So about right here. It's because I want it center, so I'm just going to give myself another point just so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to start with this curve that comes up. Center part's going to be the highest, so about right there, and then we're going to start to come down. And bring it right back in. I'm just going to taper this in a little bit more. And of course, I'm going to put a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute pineapple from Squishmallows. And when you're coloring it, just use like a darker orange because I don't want to do that with the black Sharpie. And just draw the cross lines for the texture of the pineapple. So they're all done. I hope you love how this drawing of this cute little Maui pineapple from Squishmallows turned out, and I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me. And definitely check out my whole summer series. I did one last year and this one I'm doing this year. Hopefully you'll love it just as much. Thanks so much for watching, and oh, definitely go to squishmallows.com and check out the rest of the Fruit Squad here. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, cuties. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.